has just said mama. This kid here,
She said mama.
this baby has just said mama. She didn't say dada, she said mama.
She said
Come,
daddy and mommy.
come Kaylee. Take. Hold like this. Take mommy and me and Casey a video. And don't touch here because if you touch zero, itazima. And then, now make sure you see mommy. Are you seeing her?
Yes.
Make sure you see me when I go there. So you'll hold like that, okay? Don't touch zero because itazima. You're not seeing mommy? Yeah, that way. So, hey. Hey, hi Kaylee.
Hi.
Are you seeing us?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Just nothing.
You are filming.
Yes.
Come. Come. Now you can give me. I wanted you to take mommy. And now I go, I take you. Go, I see you. Oh, yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, what's your name? What's your name? Kaylee. And where is this place? What is the name of this place?
It's a jungle.
This is a jungle. We are in a jungle. Hey, I didn't know this place is a jungle. This place is called. It's called what? Yeah. So this is the Arboretum. So many people on a Sunday. Let me bring the lenses. There are so many people today on a Sunday. So where are the photo shoots? We see them. We see them. We've missed out.
You know they come and do it when it's a bit brighter?
Yeah, when it is a
For
bit.
for good lighting.
Yes.
You're going the opposite direction.
This is the stroller I want you to come. Hey, Sanjanjir. Hey, Casey.
How many thousands?
Casey. Hey, how expensive is that? We cannot be carrying the baby by hand. Even if it means us doing a harambe. Even if it means doing a contribution harambe. We buy you a stroller. So there are so many people here, guys, at the Arboretum. It is a Sunday. Everybody is here. Hey, thank God I've come here on a Sunday now. Now I just have a feel.
Difference.
Yes. Our early mornings and now. So many people. So many people. The sun is setting at 6 o'clock. Ah, yeah. By the way, this is a place we would have come. Oma amechoka sana. You know, all of them. By the way, monkeys. You see? You have to go and see those monkeys. Kaylee, are you seeing them? There, let us go and see the monkeys. On the seat? Hey, this one here.
Can you see it? Yeah. Just come off.
It has just come off, but it's there running. The monkeys. So many. Kaylee, you're now a big girl. You can only laugh when you see them. See, isn't it?
Hey, there's a time we took her to that place. What is it called? City Park. There's so many. So
Yeah.
Did I show you the video?
No.
I'll forward you the video. What?
There's one that wanted what?
Yes, it grabbed her.
What? A monkey? Why? She was carrying some food.
Yes, Njugu.
Oh, look at this one seated here. This monkey here. You can see this monkey? There are two. Those ones. It will come after you. Look at this one. Eh? Yeah, but they are tiny ones. So there are never big ones here. Wow. Monkeys, look at this one. What are you you're feeling a monkey? Look, 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 look. I'm capturing it. I'm capturing the monkey. Monkey, monkey, face this side. I want to take you a photo. It wants to come and beat us up, eh? It's scaring us. It's not even afraid of us. Mr. Monkey. There's like a small one there. That one. Let's go there and see many others. There are many others here. Come and see. No, are you seeing those others? Those small ones there praying. Are you seeing them? Yes, let's go. Let's go. Go back. Go back to mommy. I want to take a video. No, go. Because I have to take a video myself. Here it is. Here it is. Let's see these ones. Look at that one standing up. Look, these two. And others on the seat. And others on the seat.
Yes, I saw one.
Look at the way they are playing. Oh, one is injured or what?
Oh, they are not two.
There are many.
Not the student, there's one.
There are many. Look at this one picking a tissue. What does it want to do with the tissue?
He wants to just eat.
Let's pretend to be sitting here. We see whether they're going to come to us.
I'm scared one would be behind me.
Let's sit here and watch them. Look,
You are there.
look.
When you
Others
put it,
on top of the trees there.
I can't see.
They are hidden in the trees. Look at this one cutting. What is it cutting? Some red what? A tomato.
Yes, that is, it's been eaten.
Oh, look at that. It's eating a tomato.
No, it's a pepper, I think.
A pepper?
Yes.
You are eating pepper. It's chili.
But I think oh my goodness, I think that's a baboon.
It's a baboon. Why do you think so?
Because it's so big.
Is it?
Everyone are in that. I want to take it.
I see people there. They're having their picnics. You see?
I want to sit there so I can enjoy them.
You go and enjoy what?
Look at that monkey fell down from that one.
It cannot fall. Monkeys don't fall down.
They don't touch their
Look at a small one on top. Look, on top of the tree is a very tiny one. You see? That tiny one on top of the tree there.
I see it.
There.
Oh,
No, two of them.
yes, I found it. This
You see those two small ones there on top of the trees. How can I zoom? Oh, I would have wanted to zoom so that you can see them. Oh, and these ones here just enjoying themselves.
Oh, yes.
Look
Whoa.
at this, sleeping. Hey, look at it. It's lying on the seat comfortably.
Oh,
Comfortably.
if it comes close to us, what do you do?
Nothing. They're friendly to us. They are our friends.
But if it comes on top of my head, what do we do?
It can never come on top of your head. It goes on top of trees, not heads. And this one walking here. This one is walking here.
Look at this one.
Hey, hey. That one there. And this one. Running. I don't touch the chafu. Why are you touching dirty? Kaylee, why do you have to touch something like that and you are a girl? Girls don't touch the dirty. You are a girl, not a boy. Yeah, you should not touch dirty things. Monkey.
Monkey.
How are you, Mr. Monkey?
Monkey, come and be got by the.
Look at those ones on top there, on top of the tree, the very tiny ones.
I want something.
You carry them? Look, those ones on top of the trees. And these ones here eating. What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating, Mr. Monkey? Wow. I'm seeing a baby monkey on top of the tree. Very tiny. That one. Oh my God.
Hello. Hello.
Tiny one. Are you
Why?
making them fear? You are making them run away.
Yes.
Why? When I want to take a video,
I
I'm
want.
filming them.
I ask my mom. Where is mom?
We go back to mommy. So guys, I brought you to my arboretum so you can see monkeys, people enjoying, others doing their picnicking here. They are picnicking here and monkeys are all over because they are being fed. And guys, isn't this a place that you come and unwind on a Sunday? Look at this man. Monkey
Guys,
here.
that's a long day.
Yes. Oh, yeah. What is wrong with it?
It's so sad because their friends, because he was mean to her, to their friends, and then now their friends are mean to him. That's why
He's sad
yes,
because he was mean to his friends.
yes.
And now his friends are also mean to him.
Yes, because in school, that's why he's sitting down and watching the others and eating.
Yeah.
This
Don't touch. It's the monkey that should touch dirty things, not you. You don't touch dirty things. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. This is Never Age TV. Please subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
subscribe the channel.
Hold on. Hold like this and tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Look at me. Show me. You make sure you see me. Are you seeing me?
Yeah.
So, what do you tell them?
Subscribe in your channel.
This channel. What's the name of the channel? Never Age. Never Age TV. Say that.
And Never Age TV.
Please subscribe.
And look at all the people and the monkey here.
And the monkey. And all the people. Also
and-
look at Aunt Jess.
And here she is.
Hi, subscribe. Are you seeing me?
Yes.
What am I doing?
Going around and spinning. Woo!
But you're not even coming. You're not seeing me.
I see you.
What am I saying?
Yes, saying so.
Subscribe to the channel. You're not saying?
Subscribe in the channel.
And you have not even told them your name.
My name is Kaylee.
And you're telling them to subscribe to.
The channel.
Let me show them how you look. Let me show them how you look. This is Kaylee. Do like this. Again. And by the way, this girl is a gymnastic. Are you a gymnast?
Yes.
Can we go somewhere you do some gymnastic tactics? And then I take you a video. Here. Near the glass. Yeah. Let's go. So guys, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.